A second chance, it's something that those with criminal records in Colorado will soon get. A new law will automatically seal criminal records without needing a judge's order. Investigative reporter Sean Rice is live in the studio with who this law will benefit most. Sean?
Yes, Eddie, the new law called the Clean Slate Act means someone's nonviolent criminal record will not be held against them and potentially disqualify them from an employment opportunity. Instead, the founder of one nonprofit tells me this will open doors for those with priors on their record.
When you're holding on to your past and you have to put that on a paper and you have to explain it and you might not get the job, what does that do? That discourages people.
Estevan Medina is the founder of Second Chance Through Faith Ministries, a nonprofit aimed at supporting at-risk youth, some that may have a criminal record.
Every time you try to go do something, you get shot down. So instead of getting shot down, this is going to open that door and be like, you know what, I've done it. That's no longer who I am, and I can move forward with my life.
The Clean Slate Act means that a petty offense will be automatically sealed 4 years after the charge, 7 years for a misdemeanor offense, and 10 years for a felony offense.
We have a labor shortage. I think that's really what brought the business community on board.
Colorado Senator Dennis Heisey of El Paso County was a prime sponsor on the legislation. He says over 1 million Coloradans will be eligible, adding to the pool of workers for jobs that are ready to hire.
Once someone has had their record sealed, within 12 months, they're making 25% more in wages. That brings stability to the family. They have access to better housing.
For Medina, someone who was given a second chance at life, an example that a record does not define, only an opportunity does. An opportunity this law now affords.
There's a freedom from that you no longer have to, hold on to, and just the possibilities are endless.
Each district attorney in Colorado can submit an objection to sealing any person's record within 45 days after the record is sealed. Reporting in the studio, Sean Rice, 13 Investigates.
Sean, thank you.